Hi, this is Luke from Tailgate Plus. Today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 6439. This ran from the 10th 2012 to the 7th 2021. It has a 4J11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4J11 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, tailgate no dents, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory single stack touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,